Marikina, on the other hand, looking to fend off Bataan. They are at 7 and 11.
And the second quarter was well contested, 25-23 lang. Unfortunately, naka-impact na ng kalamangan itong Ilagan in the first quarter.
Lantayan!
Fourth three-pointer in the ball game. And Ken, you have to take a look at the number of outside shots already Ilagan has made. They've made 11 three-pointers already.
It's Ona, secures the rebound. Paranada. Nahanap si Kapagton. Extra pass sa loob. Papunta kay Miguel Ona. Reggie Boy Basibas, Jacob Ubaldo, and GP Paundo. Pass read well by Robbie Celis. Natapik, naagaw ni Basibas.
They have the opportunity. It's just that they lose it to a lot of their miscues on defense, not getting down, not communicating, a lot of open looks, not the spacing that he needed. Again, Paundo getting the job done in the paint.
11 points for GP Paundo.
Yun lang.
De La Cruz with an aggressive drive to the hoop. Pass to RR. Casajeros, no good. Paundo with his 5th rebound. Ilagan has to be careful. 14 points na lang ang kanilang labang. Pero sabi ni Kawilan, walang problema. Dadagdagan ulit natin yan.
Again, risky drives. Yet paying dividends para dito sa Marikina. Ilagan ay sila ay bubutasan ng Marikina.
Ayaay, sumalaksak. Count it plus the foul. Sibas, short stab. Third offering ang gumana doon.
Because you're making your shots now, but you need stops para lang bumaba yung kalamangan. But again, look, Ilagan saying, you're gonna put a big guy on us. And so that smooth offense, 20 points, hindi susubok ng konti itong Marikina ng ibaba, but then makaka-convert kagad right to the other side. Everyone clears out, everyone cuts. There's just space to operate. Good spacing, see?
Ang dami na space para kay Alan Santos. Gerard Wilson short. Ayaay bringing the ball down. Up fake. Lost it. Apasio hustles back to get it for Ilagan. One-on-one against Alabanza. Steps back. Shot is no good. Santa Ana, rim run. Gerard Wilson using his offhand for that teardrop. Parang at this point, one game at a time ka rin talaga eh.
Lalo na sila, di ba? Parang sa how complex their offense is.
Napakadaming laro. Daming travel time. And banking on, like you said, chemistry. So the Cowboys taking care of Marikina. Wire-to-wire victory for them.